Hey guys, welcome to BIM Easy. I welcome you all to another episode of the Practical BIM series where we will be exploring how to effectively use the Revit groups. So groups in Revit are very effective if you want to increase your modeling speed or if you want to increase the efficiency of your modeling. But if done wrong, they can cause a huge disaster in your BIM model. So let's see the tips and tricks that can help you become a better Revit modeler with the help of Revit Group. Tip number 1. Checking whether all the elements that you want in the group are getting selected or not. So I have selected the elements in the 2D view. Now I'll go to 3D and check if something is missing. As you can see, this wall is missing from the selection. I'll press Ctrl and select the wall. Then I'll go on and create the group. Of course, you can add the element later by going to edit group and using this add option. But in case of host and hosted elements, several errors will occur as you can see here, which we don't want. Hence, precaution is better than cure. Tip number 2. Name the groups consistently. I am making a group and now I am naming it like this. Building A underscore, the name of the floor, let us say typical floor underscore, and the name of the apartment, let us say this is apartment 1. So you will name the groups like this so that in the future you will also get to know what kind of group is this, and if anyone is taking over your model or working on your file, it will be very helpful to them. Tip number 3. Always specify the origin of the group. Now if I select the group, you can see that this is the origin of the group. Now what I'll do, I'll drag the origin of the group to this particular preference lines. So if my group is now deleted, I can bring it back from the project browser. From the project browser, inside the groups, I can see the group that I had created, building A, typical floor, apartment 1. I can simply drag it like this and now I can place it with the help of the reference. So this is the importance of the group origin. So where you will keep your group origin? You can keep it inside the lift core or the staircase core, and you have to remember the location of the origin always. Tip number 4. Using attached detail groups wherever possible. Let me show you how. I have now selected all the 3D elements and the 2D elements such as the room tags and the door tags as well. Now I am creating a group. Okay, as you can see, I am creating a model group as well as an attached detail group. What I'll do is I'll name it correctly now. Building A, typical floor, apartment 1. Okay, and similarly, I'll name the attached detail group as well. Just that I'll add tags over here so that I can identify them, and now I'll click on OK. So the benefit of using these tags is that if I want to turn them off, I can simply turn them off from here, from the attached detail group option. I'll just untick it and click on OK. So now the tags are gone. I want them back again. I'll just select here, tick here and OK. So this is how you will work with attached detail group. Tip number 5. Never delete an element directly without going inside the group. Let me show you how. Suppose you tab selected this particular door and deleted it directly without going into the group edit mode. And let us say you ignored this particular warning also. So now the door is deleted, but as you hover over your group, you can see the door is still there, right? So this creates problems in your schedules of quantities, which we don't want. So how will you identify whether someone has done this mistake? You will simply select the group and you will have an option over here to restore all excluded. This means that someone has deleted something without going inside the group. So how to rectify this? You just click on restore all excluded. So now Revit has restored the door again into the group. And now your group is like it was before. Pro tip here, try your best that this situation never arrives, or else sometimes you might need to ungroup the whole group and start all over again. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. More tips coming up in the next part of this video. So stay tuned and please subscribe so that you don't miss that video. Thank you very much.